Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And finally today I will be fixing the leaking that I have in the cooling system. I've been waiting for a part for more than 1 month, guys. 1 month. So guys, this is the part that is damaged in my car. I've been waiting for this part for a long, and this is a metal hose, and in my case I have somewhere over here, maybe I have a hole. I hope this is the right part at least. Because I didn't remove the one that is installed. I just checked in the spare part list, but I hope I get the right one. So guys, right now I'm gonna remove the coolant, which in my case is not coolant, is DI water. As you saw, if you saw the video that I replaced the expansion tank, I had DI water because I knew that I will have to replace this hose, and of course I will have DI water again because I need to make sure that I don't have more leaks, and I believe that I have something in the heater core, but that's for another video. So guys, right now I'm gonna remove the water that I have in the cooling system and try to remove the old hose and install the new one. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. You will be helping me to continue to restore cars like this. And guys, let's go. So guys, this is the hose that is damaged. Probably I will have to remove a few things. Probably I'll have to also to remove the ignition coil. Let's see. So guys, this will give a bit of work, but let's go. Finally, I need a break. So guys, this is the worst hose that you can have to remove or to replace, guys, and all of this work I end up by removing a bunch of hoses, and I will have to assemble everything again. I will assemble the new one. At least I bought the right one, at least, but guys, to install it's the same, a similar process. Probably I will speed up, I don't know. Let's see guys, let's assemble that, and hopefully that is, I hope I don't have any leak. I need to make sure that I do everything well at the first attempt, otherwise I mess. But guys, let's go. So guys, everything is assembly again. Now what I'm gonna do is to have the eye water, check for any leaks and see if everything is working fine. So guys, let's go to see if everything is okay. Let's go. Everything seems okay, and just look at the holes, or the, I thought at the beginning just one hole, but look at this, 1, 2 and 3. It is what it is. It needs to be replaced, so it took me about, I don't know, 5 hours maybe. At least I don't have any leaks. Thanks for watching, thanks for support, and guys, if you are trying to do this, yeah, it's a pain in the ass. See you soon, stay tuned.